the main riff, we're going to start off with an open E string, first finger, second fret of the A string, and we'll strum down twice. And then we'll move up to 4th fret on the A string with the 3rd finger open string again. We're then going to go back down to the 2nd fret 3 times, and then once back up to the 4th. So open 2 twice, open 4, open 2 3 times, then to the 4th fret, and then we have a double stop, 2nd fret on the A and D. I'm using the 1st finger bar here to play that little kind of higher note stop. So we've got, we'll then move back to the bass note on its own, on the low E, that little double stop on 2nd fret of the A and D before we go open and 4, open and 2 twice. So far slowly. Then go this little run, 3, 2 on the low E string, open on the low E string, 2nd fret on the A, 3, 2, open and 2. We'll then pick up the riff again, but this time it's just kind of 1 hit on the open and 2 before we go to 4, open and 2 3 times, open and 4, that little double stop, bass note, double stop, 4, open and 2 twice, then that little run, 3, 2, open and 2. So it's kind of like the same riff twice, only the second time we only play the open and 2 to start with just once. So far. Third time through starts off the same, open and 2, open and 4, open and 2 3 times, open and 4, that little double stop, 2 and 2, low E, double stop, 2, and then the 4. This time we're going to play open and 2 4 times before moving to a new chord shape. It's kind of based around an F sharp bar chord actually, but we're not using a bar here. We've got 4th fret on the A string with the 3rd finger, 4th fret on the D string, pinky finger, and then the 3rd fret on the G string with the 2nd finger. Also going to have the high E and B strings open for that chord there. It's actually up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. Then we've got this little riff going to an E chord. So it's 13 on the G, 12 on the B. We're going to slide into it. I'm just sliding from 1 fret below here, but it doesn't really matter where you're sliding from. We're going to hit this 4 times. Move it down to 11 and 10, play that 12, and then to an E bar chord, which is 1st finger, 7th fret at the A, and the 3rd finger bar on the D, G and B strings. From the E chord here, after the first hit there, we're going to play it twice, bass note, and another strum. So we have the kind of hit from the end of the riff here, 2 hits, bass, hit, bass, bass, then hit, hit, bass, hit. So we have the riff ending, hit, 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 bass, hit, bass, bass, hit, hit, bass, hit. Little run, 3, 2, open. 3, 2, open on the low E, and then we'll go back to the chord, the E chord, hit, hit, bass, hit, bass, bass, and then this little ending, little triad part here. Got 11th fret on the D, 1st finger, we're actually going to be playing a bar here so we can go between the shapes. So 3rd finger, 11th fret at the D, 1st finger bar on the 9th fret of the D, G and B. But here in this chord it's only playing the G string. And then we have the 2nd finger, 10th fret of the B. We're going to play this chord, take it off to go to the bar, put it back on, and then come back off. So the ending slowly from the slide there. Chord, 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 bass, chord, bass, bass, chord, chord, bass, chord, little run. Chord, chord, bass, chord, bass, bass, high part. And the whole intro fairly slowly. For the verses, we're going to use a similar pattern to the intro with the open and 2 twice. Go to open and 4, open and 2 3 times, open and 4, then the open and 2 3 times, open and 4, back to open and 2. There's like a longer hit there, then we'll hit it twice more. Go into 4 4 3, open and open, just a single strum this time. Before we pick D, G, high E, B, G. Okay, so slowly. Slide in as normal. E chord as normal. Little run. Little triad part as normal on the end there as well. For the pre-chorus, we have this little A power chord, open A string, first finger bar on the second fret of the D and G strings. We'll strum this twice. We'll grab the third fret on the A string with the second finger, little bend and go into open. We'll do that twice, little bend on the third fret of the low E, go into an E power chord, that's open E string, first finger bar on the second fret of the A and D. So we're just shifting that shape up. So far we've got. We'll then hit this chord again, little run, 3 4, that double stop on the second fret, the A and D string of the second fret, open, low E, little bend again, back to the A power chord, open A string, second fret, D and G. Slowly. This just repeats. Last time is slightly different. We've got the hit on the A just the first time through this time. Bend, open, bend on the low E string to the E power chord, hit it, 3 4, hit. And then this time we're going to go to a D5 power chord, which is open D string, first finger on the second fret of the G string, third finger, third fret of the B. And for the rhythm, we've got that hit on the end, 1 2 3 and then we're going to that A5 power chord single hit to finish it. So it's that bend, open, third fret, low E, E power chord, 3 4, double stop, D5, to the A power chord. For the chorus, it's slightly easier. It's just E, D, and A throughout the entire chorus. There's a little picking pattern as well. E strum, high E, add the pinky finger to the third fret of the B, pick the B string, go back to the high E open to a D chord, taking the second finger off there to go to the high E open, A chord, picking high E, and then we'll hear the open strings as we change back to the E. There's also sometimes a strumming pattern on these chords. It'd be down, down, up, down, and then swap into that D sus2 or the D5 power chord there. Up, down, swap into the A, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, change, up, down, E, D, A, E, D, A. So it's kind of like a push each time. For the little lead line, we're on the G string for pretty much all of it. Got 11th fret, little bend up, half step to that kind of G note, release, pulling off to 9, 6th fret, again, pulling up a half fret, pulling off to 4, 4, sliding down to 1, then we've got a little riff here, 1 hammer onto 2, catch a set open E string, and then 2 to 1 G string, pulling off. Do it again. And that's the lead line.